Well, I'm Lyn Evans. I'm from Aberystwyth, but I've spent the last 47 years in Geneva. I'm a physicist. I build particle accelerators. I've been doing it for 35 years. And of course, the last one I will ever build is the Large Hadron Collider. I think it's a great honor to become a fellow of a university in Wales, and especially Aberystwyth. The last time I was in Aberystwyth was 50 years ago, when I came to play rugby with Swansea. Well, I've been living in Geneva, but it feels like I never really left Wales. I'm back here quite often, and I have a good association, of course, mostly with the university in Swansea where I graduated, but now hopefully with Aberystwyth as well.